Vlogmas is here. Time for holiday cheer. Day 13 has begun, so come join the fun. Marshie's looking for treats. Good morning. I'm still in my pajamas. It is 8:40 a.m. and I'm just making some breakfast for Marshie and some coffee for me. And oh, the postman's come. It's alright, it's just the postman. So, got my Christmas pudding jumper on. Don't know if Marshie is going to join me, but I got his woof woof box that came today. And one of the reasons why I subscribed to this was because they said that they could give me treats without peas or legumes. So I was like, all right, cool. I will get one box for Marshie. He is just sitting on the floor at the back and on the bed. Right, so here we go. Oh, how do I open this? Okay, here we go. Okay. Ooh. Oh, happy how it says happy holidays. Sure, it should be holidays. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got some Nature's Menu puppy. These are real meaty treats with chicken, 95% chicken and pork. These have, let's see, the composition is chicken, pork, minerals. So hopefully that's okay. So that's good for Marsh. And then we got the magazine that it comes with. And then these are their own brand treats. These are 60% game. Venison, 30%, duck, 30%, sweet potato, and glycerol. So these are actually okay. I don't really like giving potato, but once in a while in treats is fine. And it says 5 to 10 pieces a day as part of a balanced diet. And then we've got, oh cool, this is cool. A Vlogmas, I'm guessing treat house, which I think is like a snuffle mat. This looks really cool. Vlogmas Treat House is an interactive dog toy designed to slow down eating while engaging your dog's sense of natural smell. How to use 8 sections. Oh, this is really cool. It's got a little Velcro. Oh, do we undo it this way? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little Christmas tree. So we've got like little sections. Oh, we love that. We've got another snuffle mat and then like a little pocket one here. And then these flaps. That's fun. We might do some of that with some new Treatos later. And then we got a cute little bandana. This one says Happy New Wear. It's a cute little bandana. It's Christmassy themed. Happy Vlogmas. It's really sweet. How do I get this out? How do I feel like this is going to be too big for Marshie. Oh, maybe it's like a slip-on. Let's just open this. Oh, it's like it's a slip-on? What is it? Oh, it's a tube. But what is it? Happy New... If it doesn't fit, please contact us to change your scarf. Oh, that's cute. So, what? How? Is it just supposed to fit on his head? I'll read the magazine to find out. And then we've got this cute little toy. Oh my god, it's fluffy on the back. This is very cute. Marshie will love this. There's no squeaker in it. There's no squeaker in it. Okay, maybe Marshie won't love it as much, but... Do you want this toy? We can play with it in a minute. But this is well cute. Look at this. Happy holiday. Maybe it's supposed to be... I don't know. Because it should be an holiday. Holiday? Maybe they don't know how to spell howl. Howl is spelled H-O-W-L, right? Anyway, let's see how this new wear thing is supposed to work. We shall see. I like this. It's a bit like, you know, they tell you all about it, like the treats and stuff that's in them. And then like there's some activities for kids / me. There's a first 6 days of Christmas, whatever this is, I don't know. And then, oh, Christmas movies to watch with your dog. That's really cute. Right. Oh, and you can make your own DIY treats. That's fun too. Do you love that toy? Do you love it? We got so many toys in December. So many. And we got a new one yesterday too. So many. Okay, should we try the scarf thing? I don't, like, this is so tiny. How is it supposed to fit around his neck? He's so fluffy, it's not even going to be seen. Let's try. Okay, can you, wait a minute. Okay, can you sit? Sit, sit, drop, sit. Good boy, wait. Okay, wait. Let's put this over your head. Oh, I can't see it anymore. Okay, pop this over your head. Good boy. Oh. You look weird. But here, have your toy back. Guys, I was pulling the scarf off and it's so funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, last week I bought these square crumpets and I didn't even eat them and they're actually running out of date, so I put them in the fridge. I mean, they are out of date. It says 8th of December. But anyway, I decided to have some today, so I've put some cheese on them. This isn't normal, I'm told, but I've always had cheese on my crumpets, so it's never been a thing for me. But I just put them under the grill and they've melted and it's so good. I'm so excited to eat them. It is almost 1:30 and we're just out on our first walk of the day. Marshie was very sneezy this morning, so I don't think he minded. Right, so we've just come in from our walk. I'm going to put these treats with his treat stuff, and he was barking at my leftover cheese crumpets, so I'm going to open his advent calendar for his treats from yesterday because he wants a treat, so why not give him a treat? Because I'm nice like that. Okie dokes, so we got the advent calendar, and yesterday was the 12th, that's the 13th, that's today, 12th, okay, here we go. Okay, sit, lie down, lie down. Good boy. Yummers. Did you need to crunch it? Crunchy, crunchy. Moustache. Yes. Circle. Yes. Oh. Hello everyone. For the past hour or so, Marshie's been sneezing on my desk while I've been working because there was, oh, that's a pot handle. There was someone coming in through the lift. I think it was our next door neighbour actually. And Marshie was a bit scared because it was very noisy outside and he didn't like that. So I picked him up, carried him over to my desk and just plonked him on there because he likes it on the desk. Don't know why, but he finds it and he just lies there and snoozes. He's very chill. And then he decided to wake up and I'm a little bit thirsty. So I'm going to make a cup of tea and have some biscuits. Got some malted milks to have with it. What are you doing, Marsh? Why are you lying outside the bed? What are you doing? Look at his little feet on the end. These are so funny. No, don't want it. He's so peachy. Your peachy butt. Guys, Marshie's napping next to me. It's so cute. But I was just scrolling Facebook, as you do, and I'm tearing up now because it was really sad. I just read an article of the last 9/11 search and rescue dog has passed away at the age of 16, and it's just really sad, like, in the way that, like, there was firefighters that, like, why am I crying over this? It's really sad. There were firefighters that lined up on her way for her last trip to the vet to, like, you know, be put down or whatever because she wasn't eating anymore. I'm literally crying. It's so sad. And they, like, gave her, like, a proper military send-off. It's so cute and so sad. And we don't deserve dogs. They're so good. Why am I crying? Dogs are the best. And I'm a cat person, so, like, I've definitely become more of a dog. I've always loved, like, fluffy animals and creatures, and I love dogs. Obviously, I have my own dog, but I've definitely become more inclined to dogs since getting a dog. But I was always a cat person before. I guess it was just easier because I never had to look after an animal, and I've had friends who had cats, and I liked cats, and cats always liked me, so I don't know, but I also like dogs. When did I become a dog person that cries over these posts just reading about this dog? Oh my gosh. But work is finished. It's now like 6:05, and I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here. I'm actually only on episode 2 because I only ever watched episode 1 of this season, and then I just didn't watch anymore because I forgot about it, and I just forgot about it. Didn't watch anymore, so I'm watching it again. Hi guys, it's 9:31. And I trapped Marshie in the bathroom accidentally. Because sometimes, you know, like, because they're like, he's a small dog. He's a toy dog. He's not even small size. Because small size are like pugs. They're big to me. He's toy size. So he just, like, runs around everywhere. And, like, I trust him. Like, he doesn't pee anywhere or anything anymore. Or anything like that. And I accidentally trapped him in the bathroom just now. I've done it before. But he was, like, woofing. But, like, little woofs, like, to, like, get my attention. And I was like, what's going on? Because I thought he was in his bed by the gate. He was not. He was in the bathroom trapped, and I was, like, looking for him. So I was putting my laundry away. So my cupboard is open. And I've washed my hair just now, so done that. Done the hot water bottle. Okay. Are we tired? You want to come down on the bed? Oh, okay. You're going to sit in my socks. Alright, so it's cute. Look, he's saying I'm on my socks. But I think we'll probably say goodnight now. I might watch a Christmas movie or something tonight. And then head to bed and go to work. I think I'm working tomorrow. I've got a day off on Wednesday and Thursday. And we were supposed to go to this prom Christmas party on Wednesday. But I think I'm deciding to cancel because I'm not a fan. Not a fan of travelling on public transport right now. And yes. Oh, one thing though. I did manage to book my booster jab. So it would be my 3rd jab. It's not the 3rd dose, it's the booster one. Whatever, I don't know how it works. But basically, I booked it for Saturday. And it's just at the pharmacy down the road, which means I can walk there and I don't have to take a cab like I had to last time. But yeah, and then I can just walk home and everything will be fine. And then Marshie can stay home alone. Well, we would stay home alone anyway, but it won't be for that long, hopefully. But yeah, okay. So we'll say goodnight now and see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, today was kind of boring. We went out for a second walk with Susie and the pugs, but obviously I didn't show that because it's too dark outside, like you can't see anything, so what is the point of vlogging in the dark? Good night, see you tomorrow. One quick thing before we go to bed, I'm gonna have my advent calendar. Marshie is not having his because he's sleepy. So today is the 13th. What is the 13th? Yes. We have a doggy! A white doggy. And this looks like a robin. And a letter. Okay, so Marshie woke up. He's not sleepy now, and he's barking in the kitchen. Do you want treats? Okay, should we do your advent calendar? You do your advent calendar? Which day is it? Is it day 13? We did 12 earlier, didn't we? So, where is day 13? Getting close to Christmas. Can't see it with my eyes. There, 13. Oh, that took me so long. Can you sit? Good boy. Cheers.